It's the enclosed elevator at the CambridgeSide Mall, Cambridge, Massachusetts. And it just left me. Great. This is the one with the epic motor. Yes, the one I wanted. Love that bell. One. Listen to this awesome motor. Just awesome. G3. Pretty basic elevator, but it's nice. Wish it was glass though. Here's the fixtures. 3,500 pounds, 200 feet a minute. This is elevator number MP2. We're going to 1. Wow. So you can look up. Hey, you kinda can. That's cool. I'm a handy think I bumped you apart by accident. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna do a no sound trip. I'm gonna set the camera on the floor this time. Maybe just in case there's people. Like no one, here we go. What an elevator motor. I cannot get enough of this thing. Wow. Best elevator of 2025, hands down. Are you guys going down? Are you guys going up or down? Oh, okay.
Is that going down?
Yeah, this is down only. There it goes.